Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. Horizon line. Draw a faint line across your paper to represent the horizon. Depending on your scene, use light line to suggest mountain, hills, and buildings in the fair bar. Draw the base of prominent objects in the front like trees, rocks, or a fence. For each tree, draw vertical lines for the trunk and then shorter line branches out limbs. Add a few movements lines for the tail. If you have a lake or river, use a wavy line for the water edge and another for the opposite bank. A small circle for a few radiating lines can represent the sun. This is basic structure and you can adjust it based on your satisfied scene. There are many amazing landscape line drawing out three inside book. Remember, the beauty of line art is the simplicity. Have fun and create something unique. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.